Hi, I'm Ronald, and today we will be unboxing volumes 1 to 3 of the award-winning Pinoy graphic novel written by Sir Tan and illustrated by Sir Kadjo Baldissimo entitled Trese, which has an animated series of the same name on Netflix currently. If you are wondering, here are the previous and current publishing companies of the Trese graphic novels. The first issues were published independently by Alamat Comics in Ashcan or online format. Then it was published or mass-produced by Visprint as a collected graphic novels in 2008 to 2009. Now, the current local publisher for the 2021 reprinted version is Avenida Books, while Ablaze Publishing carries the Trese comics for the global release. But today what we are unboxing is the 2021 Avenida version. Now, I don't have any copies of the old version, so if you do have, please leave a comment. What are the major differences between the old versus the new published ones? I did, however, saw this from Sir Kadjo's Instagram account, but specifically referring to volume 3 of the graphic novel, that there's not much any difference. Although I saw an old post from him that the 2021 versions may contain new artwork and additional pages expanding the story of each case. There are other Trese books published currently that are available, but the main series is a 7-volume graphic novel composed of 13 stories, or cases as they call it. What's available for now on the shop are the volumes 1 to 3, and I believe volumes 4 to 7 will be reprinted by next year. You can also purchase the Trese Bloodlines, which is an anthology of comic book stories set in the Trese universe, with new story from Sir Budget and Sir Kadjo, as well as stories contributed by their close friends. You could also purchase the Trese Lite Postcard book, which is a compilation of artwork from the illustrator featuring the cast of the said novel. Now, with the recent hype, the stocks on the Shopee store would always go out of stock, but try to visit their online shop daily. They would usually replenish their stocks every morning. Please do watch my upcoming video where I will be unboxing the Trese Bloodlines and the Trese Lite Postcard book. I guess that would be it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.